Hey there, quick review on this ThermoPro TP450. This is the dual laser model. As you see here, it's got two lasers shoot out the front, trigger mechanism for turning it on and taking measurements, battery compartment down here, very easy to access, two AAA batteries, opens and closes very easily. Nice LCD display on the back side here. At the top, it's going to display your current temperature from your most recent reading, and then you've got mode options to cycle between minimum, average, and maximum temperature. You can also select Fahrenheit or Celsius. As you can see here on my hand, it's got dual lasers for taking your measurement, registering about 82 degrees right here, and as you can see, the maximum was 82.4. I'll release the trigger now, and that's going to hold that measurement. And if I want to cycle here between minimum, average, and maximum, I can do that very easily from right there. Shoot my workbench here, and immediately it goes to 52 degrees. Very quick, very accurate, works well. Ideally, you want to be shooting about 15 inches away from your target. That's the ideal measurement range, but it's still going to be pretty accurate even if you're not perfect on that distance away. It auto shuts off after about 15 seconds or so, conserves battery life nicely. It's got a temperature range all the way from about -55 degrees up to over 1,000 degrees. So very nice overall. Nice price point, good quality. If you're needing a laser for shooting some temperature measurements, this is going to be a nice product. I'd recommend it.